lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we are going to learn about how we can make our own Instagram filter. So let's get beginning. So guys, now cutting to my laptop screen. So guys, now you have to open Spark Studio, and then you simply, here is so many options you can see, and I'm choosing this makeup one. You can choose anyone like eye color, voice changer, neck decoration, head decoration, 2D stickers, 3D stickers, and many more, like many more. First of all, I am opening my site, and this is how it's looking. So we are going to quickly reset our makeup. Okay, so you can like simply change eyeshadow color, eyeliner opacity, lips color, lips opacity, light sensitivity, and many more things, guys. So I have chosen, let's first start with the lip colors. Okay, so I am choosing very minor pinkish type shade. Let's wait for it. Okay, this is nice. This is super duper nice, and I think eyeliner color is perfect. Like, it's nice. Okay, so you can change, like you have to do or any opacity changes, so you can do it. Now check eyeshadow opacity. It's too much. Wow, it's too light. Okay, this is also, it's very light. And okay, so I'm choosing it more than half. Okay, and eyeliner opacity. Okay, so I've also chosen more than half, and now we are done with our makeup. And now the main problem, if you want a layer like layer 1, like you click on Instagram and you get different makeups, so this is to create the layers, but I'm not creating any layer anymore. Now let's publish this effect. Okay guys, so I'm hoping that you understand it very clearly, and this is part 1. Part 2 is coming very soon on my YouTube channel, and it will be on how you can upload your Instagram filters on Instagram. Okay, bye bye, tata, love you guys.